In this video, I will show you how to change button color on Squarespace. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you should choose the website that you want to change the button color for. Once you're in that website, this is what the dashboard should look like. And you're going to go to the left side of your panel and you're going to click on website. You're going to click on pages. We want to look for the page that has the button that we want to change the color for. But before we do that, I'd like us to open a new tab, and then we're going to go to Google Chrome extensions, and then we're going to go to the Chrome Web Store for extensions. Now what we want to find is the Squarespace ID Finder. Once we find the Squarespace ID Finder, we're going to click on it and we're going to add to Chrome. Now that we have the Squarespace ID Finder, we're going to come back to Squarespace. And once we click on the extension on the page that we want to find the ID for, we click on the extension, you're going to realize it starts stating the ID for each element. So once we go to our button, we find the ID for the button. We're going to come to the left side, we're going to come to custom code. And on the custom code, we're going to go to custom CSS. Now on the custom CSS, we're going to come to this ID again, the extension again, and we're going to copy it again to ensure that we have the right ID. We're going to paste the ID here and we're going to click on space. Now we're going to go to the actual button and we're going to right click on the actual button, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on inspect, and once we click on inspect, we should have the actual classes of the button, and what we want is this particular class. We're going to copy this class, and now we're going to come back to our editor. We're going to paste this class here. We're going to close it. We're going to paste the class, and I think the ID already vanished, so we're going to come down. We're going to click on the ID again. We're going to paste the ID, and now we're going to put a dot in front of the class to signify that it's a class, and we're going to make sure that between the class and the ID, just one space is between them. And we're going to come here and we're going to put another space. We're going to open parenthesis, and we're going to make sure that there's an empty block between the parentheses. Now to change the color, if you want to change the text color, the CSS code to change the text color is color, and once we write blue and we click this up, we click on save. Our color for, let's turn this off. Let's refresh the page. And after refreshing, you see the color of the text has changed to blue. Let's make this background color. To change the background color, once we change the background color, you see the background color has changed to blue. Once we save, we're gonna refresh again, and once we scroll down, we realize the button color has changed to blue. That's how to change button color on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.